Hey guys, this is Martha May with Martha May Atelier, and in case you don't know, my tag is Martha May A on YouTube. I am in the process of going through just cleaning bags because I want to recoup them, and I'm planning on making them super pretty and fun because I'm going to decorate them with paint, or paint them with, you know, leather paints, actually paint them, not just decorate, and just make them super pretty and fun, because a lot of the ones that I have are ones that have issues, or they're old, or people just don't want them anymore. So I am going to see if I can rehab them. Today on the agenda is the Dooney Bourke little coin purse. I love this thing. It's so cute. I might just keep this one for myself. I don't even know if I want to like paint this one just because it's so cute, just as is. And again, I know I showed you last time, but I love the zipper. Okay, so I am going to see how I can get this sucker clean, and I'm going to use my old makeup spinner brush. And again, we have some distilled water if I want to wipe it down to begin with, before I actually start like the heavy cleaning. And then after that, I can start with the leather CPR. So first, we're just going to wipe it down. And this one actually does have some leather bits, unlike the last wallet that we did. It had it was mostly just canvas on the outside. It wasn't very much leather. Well, except for the inside, if it's real. Again, because I don't know. So you guys have to tell me, what do you think? Is this worth... Oh, I'm making the tablet move. Is this worth having a paint job? Or should I just leave it as is? I think I need to change my lighting so you can actually see it. Maybe that's better. Yeah, the inside is a little dirty. Really not too bad, but I am going to just clean the heck out of this thing. Hopefully, we will have a nice, clean, saturated bag. So I'm wondering if maybe I should put, I'm trying a different angle with this, because I felt like when I was trying to do it before, you couldn't really see me real well. So that's why I'm doing it like this. But this is a Dooney Bourke. It's a very cute little bag. It doesn't have very much visible dirt on it, but I'm imagining that there's probably stuff there that we need to clean off, regardless if you can see it, because this one is what's called Y2K, so it was around the 2000s, around the time I graduated. I was in high school in the 2000s, and it probably has seen some better days. So you're going to get this in here, move it around, get it nice and saturated, and then we will see where it goes from there. I like these a lot. I really like this blue color. I like the dark blue and the pink as well. The thing I'm a little disappointed with is the fact that the I guess you'd call it cream one. To me, the cream one looks dirty. I don't know if anybody else feels like that too. So even though it's probably not, it just has this appearance to me of being dirty. Like when you have something that is yellowed over time, that's what the cream color looks like. And I don't know. I'd even wondered maybe about trying getting one of them and seeing if I could fix it with like some of that, I don't know what it's called now, But there's something I found online that you could use to get the patina, not patina, the sun, the yellowing, oxidization, how about that? Oxidizingness of the, I guess, white, yellow type canvases that make it look funky. Okay, so now I'm going to use rubbing alcohol in the middle, just so we can, it's not real dirty, but just want to get any relative smells out or anything else out of here. Again, I'm sorry, but I think I'm going to keep this. But if you guys think I should do anything with it, let me know. I'm excited to try to make like flowers. I'm going to go through this whole thing of trying to do all different kinds of things with purse making. I'm going to try to make things out of leather. I'm going to try to do appliques out of leather. I'm going to try to do the, I guess, dyeing. I think I got blue dye. Hi, Art. I have another visitor. And I guess we'll see how it goes from there. Now, I will say that I feel like I will probably use the brasso on this, even though it's not like super bad. It's got pretty good shine to it. It's not real bad. I mean, you can see some scratches, but I absolutely love these pink tags. Hoping that once it's, you know, saturated up, it'll be better, because this handle, when I took it out the other day, it was pretty brittle feeling. Well, I guess it brittles. It was stiff. We don't want stiff. We want supple. So I am putting the leather CPR all over this handle, saturating it, helping with that suppleness come back. And I'm going to try to get very edgy here too, because that's leather as well. Just keeping it saturated helps the leather from cracking over time, because you don't want this cracking, otherwise it'll break off. And then once we get this nice and saturated, I'm going to clean off the other parts that shouldn't have it on there. Just wipe it down really, because I'm going to go back over it later with a brasso. I'm not too concerned about it being I guess touched. Just kind of clean it off. So, what do you guys think? Which one are you looking forward to the most? I'm really looking forward to starting to paint. Right now I'm just going through a bunch of cleaning processes so that I have things ready to paint. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you think that I should do, I don't know, like one of the Michael Kors, not Marc Jacob. The Michael Kors, or one of the Coach purses first. Which one should I paint first? Which one should I do? And should I try film me doing making the flowers and other things, dyeing the leather? I think you guys might find that interesting as well. Like, I love the color of this, but if there was one that was really bad, it might be fun to dye it. You want to say hi, Arctic? Hi. Yeah. Here, say hi. Oh, okay. Does not want picked up. I thought maybe I'd show him video, but Arctic is more of an aloof kitty. He's very, very sweet. So he likes getting on the bed in the morning and demanding pets. He's a cutie. But he's the man of the house, you know. He's the cat man of the house. So he can't act like he's all mushy, but he's really mushy. Anyway, alright. Well, this one, I honestly feel like we're good to go. Yes, it smells like rubbing alcohol at the moment. But really, there's not a whole ton that really needed done. I think this camera angle is better for you to see me. not so much better to see the stuff on the desk. So I think I'm still gonna have to finagle it. See what we can do. Maybe I can put it a little higher up and angled down, because that would do well. So anyway, here we go. Here is the Dooney. The leather straps feel really nice. Maybe we can add some graphite in the mechanisms to help it slide better, or we can try the wax. But I guess we'll see. I am not sure what I'm going to do yet, but let me know what you think. This is so pretty. I love this. I mean, I probably would buy a purse just because of the color and the heart. Anyway, I'll see you guys next video.